Good morning, happy Friday, Frosty here. Hey, the markets were up again yesterday. Dow was up 347, NASDAQ was up 260, and the S&P 500 was up 57 and a half. Frosty Portfolio was up 868 bucks yesterday. So I have a question for you. Is it possible that these financial gurus out there are late again? I was amazed at how many downgrades on many stocks came out yesterday. Going down, down, down. Yeah, right. Thanks a lot, you freaking morons. Calling a sell after it's already down 50% really helps me. Not. Anyways, they were late on inflation. Yeah, it's transitory. They were late on recession calls. We're already in one. Okay? They were late on raising interest rates and slowing down the money supply, and we're really paying for that now. And I believe they're late on the call on the bottom here. As a matter of fact, I think we may be putting in the bottom, and we may be in for a couple of good weeks here. But we may be late on that call too. Last week was up, and it's looking like this week will be up this too, even though the job numbers were higher than expected today. But that's good. There's jobs out there. Is the economy really bad? I think we may be in for a few good weeks. With that in mind, my son Brad and I were sitting around yesterday. He was grounded from flying because there was thunderstorms all around. So we decided to crunch some numbers. We went back to when we first started the Frosty Investment Club portfolio, and we compared if we bought our favorite stock in a sector or the sector, which was better. And to be honest with you, it was plus or minus $100. So with that in mind, I think I'll stay in sectors for a while just to spread out the risk. Except remember Wednesday, I said, I think it's very important to be in the right sector or the right stocks right now. I don't think you can just buy the index and hope to make money. I think you have to be very selective. So we made some trades in the portfolio yesterday, and we repositioned it a little bit, so we think we're in the right sectors for the next couple weeks. Okay? I said Wednesday the consumer was still spending like crazy, right? So we own the consumer staples, the XLPs, and the consumer discretionaries, the XLYs. We own the communications because a lot of those are cell phones and Disney and stuff like that, Netflix, stuff that's the consumer is spending on. I believe if you're looking for a bounce, you better be in some transportation, all those airlines, etc. So we own transportation, XTLs, and we own the industrials. We own the industrials because that covers a lot of the stocks that we follow. And we also have real estate. And in a bit of a change, we decided we'd rather own U.S. Steel than the entire metals and mining sector. And we would rather own ExxonMobil than the entire energy sector. So we took buy right positions in all of those. And these 5 sectors covered 23 out of the 50 stocks that are in the Frosty stock portfolio, not the Frosty ETF portfolio. So 23 out of 50 covered in 5 sectors. That's pretty good. Okay, that's the way we're looking at it for the next few weeks. I own buy right positions in all these. And if you don't remember what a buy right is, it's in a previous post. Go find it, check it out. It's on video. I explain it as much as I possibly can. I'm interested in how today's employment numbers are going to pan out. The market, the futures were up, and then they dove as soon as the numbers come out. We'll see what happens through the rest of the day. I still think we're going to have an up week, overall for the week, and I think we're on a bit of a bounce for the next couple weeks. So we're 85% invested and rolling with the flow. Remember, there's no bad days in my life. There's good days and great days. Go out and make it a great day. I hope you have a great weekend. Frosty out.